This isn't Park Life. We ran across the street. What shop are we in?
This is the name of the shop. It's the one that has the ornaments, the mugs, and the home goods.
Yeah. They've got this thing. They've got this whole line of mini. This is just for baking pies. The whole thing.
Well, it's various home goods, but it's a very retro kind of Mickey and Minnie.
Okay. That's a pie plate.
Yes.
Right. Now, in order to make the pie, you've got to have measuring cups.
That's true.
Right. You've got to have.
Those are straws.
Those are straws. I don't know what that's. A rolling pin to roll the dough for your pie. Okay.
But these are mugs.
That's for the coffee to drink with your pie.
Okay.
Right. This is where you keep the flour for your pie. This is what you get your pie out of the oven with one of these. You put the pie on this.
How does the wall clock factor in?
So you know when the pie's done. That's your pie baking wall clock. That's the recipe for your pie if you want to know how to make it. And then this is how you clean up after when you're done. You use one of these to clean. You have to have this whole line.
It's interesting that it's so cherry.
I don't know. You're right. They're having a cupcake, aren't they? Or no, they're having a milkshake. It does look the same though. That is the same line.
It's all cherry based. I don't get that.
Cherry pie.
But it's so specific. Why cherry?
We are way out of your comfort zone again, aren't we?
Well, I'm just saying this. Have you ever? It's cherry. Like, there's a million options. They just said cherry. I don't get it.
No, cherry pie is a thing.
Okay.
I think it's just meant to have that very sort of 40s, 50s diner kind of.
Yeah. Well, okay, but there's more. Actually. Pie. You put the pie on that.
Oh yeah.
You serve it.
That's a cake stand.
Right? Right. No, look. She's literally holding the pie, you guys.
Well, pie.
And she's winking. She made a great pie. I love this. I wish, I want to know though, because
I came through last week. I don't care if the little taglines on them, but otherwise I do. Yeah, I like
what the cherry on top thing. You mean?
Yeah, or like the secret recipe is magic. I'm like, I don't know. It's just.
I thought it was love.
Not over there. It says the secret ingredient is magic.
No, the secret ingredient is always love.
Not for Minnie, it's magic. It's sorcery and witchcraft. Get with the program. Anyways, I do like. I like the design. Just don't care for the little taglines.
There was a lot of ways this whole bit could have gone when I started it with the cherry pie thing. I did not expect it to go to sorcery and witchcraft. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you.
That was the intent. Just to throw you off guard.
But I want to know, would you buy, can you buy just one item? You've got this whole line of things. You got the rolling pin, the measuring cups, the pie plate, the coffee cups. Do you buy just the rolling pin?
Well, that's how they get you.
I know. That's what I'm saying.
Right.
As a human,
right.
I want all of it.
Yeah.
And I know you probably would too.
My kitchen's done, and it's Star Wars. It's not Cherries.
Do you have a Star Wars rolling pin?
Yes.
It's not no, but I have a Han Solo cutting board. I'm carbonated, and my oven mitts are BB-8.
Oh my god.
And my salt and pepper shaker, BB-8. Because David.
Well, he does. Yeah.
BB's head is the salt.
I get it.
His head is the salt, and his body is the pepper.
Preaching to the choir, man. I understand. I get it. But this, I don't know how you buy just the mugs or just who would buy just that? If you buy that, you're all in.
If this was just,
I'm just gonna point out, I don't think anyone watching expects us to be super into home goods, but guess what? We are.
I am into home goods.
That's why I'm completely opposed to this. The idea of it, I love. I'm just not on board with the cherry thing. I think just mini. I don't. Cherry's too specific. If it was just mini, then it's
you're against the cherry-centric nature of the line.
It feels like they're forcing some specific thing on me.
There's a cherry agenda.
I want mini.
Who's gonna represent the blackberries?
Right. Who's standing up for the boys and berries and the lingonberries
and the grapes
and the gooseberry?
Why can't it just be chef?
Peach. Who's talking about peach?
I don't want.
I mean, never mind berries.
Why does it have to be a fruit?
What, you want a chocolate pie?
Well,
lemon meringue?
It's
got lemon
banana cream.
Banana cream.
That's my go-to.
Banana's a fruit.
The only thing that makes this a pie thing is the pie stand. Nothing else is pie.
What about pralines? A praline pie?
How about a pizza pie?
Pecan pie?
Pecan pie.
I went to the theater to see this.
Yeah?
No,
you know what I'm doing?
A month ago. Yes,
Wait, what am I doing?
Billy Crystal.
Come bake a pie with Minnie. A cherry pie.
Why does it have to be a thing?